Hello! So if you're taking trigonometry, you're expected to know the sine and the cosine of all the major angles. Well, here is a really handy trick to really quickly get the sine and the cosine of those angles. Now, those angles are, well, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. Or that's 0 radians, pi over 6, pi over 4, pi over 3, and pi over 2. So here is my left hand. So just stare at your left hand. Now, if you want to know the sine or the cosine of some angle, just put down that finger. Again, this is going to be 0. This is pi over 6, pi over 4, pi over 3, and pi over 2. Let's say I want to know the sine and the cosine of pi over 6. Just go ahead, put down that finger. So we have our finger down for 30 degrees, or pi over 6. Now just read it. Going from the left is our sine. Going from the right is our cosine. Now we have everything is going to be under a square root. And then think of, well, we have like basically a line right here, or a bar. And then everything is going to be over 2. But that's it. Just going from the left, I have one finger up. So the sine of pi over 6 is going to be square root of 1 over 2. Well, that's just 1/2. What's the cosine of pi over 6? Well, going from the other way here, we have 3 fingers up. So therefore, the cosine of pi over 6 is going to be square root of 3 over 2. If we want to know pi over 4, go ahead, put down that middle finger. And then coming from the left, we have 2 fingers up. So sine of pi over 4 is square root of 2 over 2. And cosine of pi over 4, well, again, we have 2 fingers up coming from the other direction, coming from the right. So therefore, cosine of pi over 4 is also going to be square root of 2 over 2. How about pi over 3? Well, coming from the left, we have our sine of pi over 3. Now we have 3 fingers up. So therefore, sine of pi over 3 is going to be square root of 3 over 2, and cosine of pi over 3, that's going to be square root of 1 over 2, or 1/2. How about for the extreme values? Well, if we look at 0 degrees, or 0 radians, well, coming from the left, we have no fingers up. We have no fingers up. That's going to be square root of 0 over 2, which is just 0 over 2, which is just 0. So sine of 0 is 0, and coming from the right, well, we have 4 fingers up. So that's going to be square root of 4 over 2. Square root of 4 is 2, so therefore we have 2 over 2, or 1, right? So cosine of 0 must be 1. And it works for all the angles, right? The last one would be, I guess, pi over 2, or 90 degrees. Well, coming from the left, we have 4 fingers up, so square root of 4 over 2, or 1, for sine of pi over 2. And coming from the right, we just have no fingers up, so again, square root of 0 over 2, or 0. For cosine of pi over 2. And there it is, right? There it is. All the angles you're expected to memorize, but with this little handy trick, you don't have to memorize anything. Calculator, take care.